Morning students, how are you? Now we will work on next topic of chapter number 6 is criteria for similarity of triangles. Criteria for similarity of triangles. See student, first point is triple A. Triple A means if in two triangles corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are in the same ratio or you can say proportional, and hence two triangles are similar. Triple A means if all corresponding angles are equal in two triangles, then we can say that two triangles are said to be similar. Then after this, next topic of this is triple S. Next topic is triple S. Triple S tends to if in two triangles all corresponding sides ratio are equal and then corresponding angles become equal, then both triangles become similar. Then third one is SAS, means see student, these two triangles ABC and PQR, this one side is 2, this one is 4, this one is 3, this one is 6, and this one angle is 50 degree. AP upon PQ equal to 2 by 4, 1 by 2. AC upon PR equal to 3 by 6 equal to 1 by 2, means this side ratio to this side ratio equal and in between angle also equal. Then both triangles are similar by SAS similarity criteria. Proof is not required of these formulas. In board exam, proof will not come. State now exercise 6.3. State which pair of triangles in figures are similar. Write the similarity criteria used for you for answering the question, and also write the pairs of similar triangles in the symbolic form. See student, first part we are doing. In first part, triangle is given ABC, angle A is given 60 degree, angle B is given 80 degree, C is given 40 degree. Now triangle PQR is also given. PQR, this one angle 60 degree, P angle, Q angle is 80 degree, R angle is 40 degree. So see student, angle A equal to angle P, angle B equal to angle Q, Y is 60 degree, is 80 degree, and angle C equal to angle R, Y is 40 degree. Therefore triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by AAA similarity criteria. Like this, you will prove remaining parts of question number 1. Now see question number 2. See figure. In this figure, AOB triangle given, COD triangle given, and in given triangle ODC is similar to triangle OBA, and BOC, this one angle 125 degree, CDO is 70 degree. In to find angle DOC, this one angle DOC, start with this only, angle DOC plus 125 equal 180 degree. Why? Linear pair. DOC equal 180 minus 125. Angle DOC 10 minus 5, 55 degree. So this one value we are having. This one become answer. Now concentrate on DCO. DCO, use triangle angle sum property for this. Angle DCO plus angle 70. This one we are having 55 now, plus 55 equal to 180. Reason triangle angle sum property. Angle DCO plus 125 equal to 180. Angle DCO equal to 180 minus 125. Angle DCO 10 minus 5, 5. Then 755. This one also of 55 degree. Then after this we will work on this angle OAB. Angle OAB is equal to angle OCD. Why? By definition of similarity. Therefore angle OAB equal to 55 degree. So these are of our answer.